What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming at you with another video. Hey, I got a great video for you all today. You know, I said I was getting some more carbon fiber parts for the bike, and my last piece of carbon for right now has come in, and I'm gonna show you what it is right after this.
From the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, unfold, he's strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Twisted Sisters, what a ride!
All right, y'all, you see I got more carbon fiber. I told you this dash was coming in right here. This is the real deal Holyfield, like my front fender and my rear fender and my license plate. But check that out. It matches up to the bike really good. And only thing it's gonna do, y'all, it's gonna go on here like this. It's just gonna go down like this. But first thing we're gonna do, we got adhesive tape right here. And we got some alcohol wipes right here. So I'm gonna take the alcohol wipes. I'm gonna wipe all this down right around the black part on the bike right here. And we're gonna apply this adhesive. This comes with the adhesive tape too as well. So I'm gonna apply it down off in here, on the sides, and kind of in these places where it'll definitely be touching on the bike right here. So yeah, we're gonna get that done real quick. So let me put the adhesive tape on here and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we got the adhesive tape in here. Make sure you put it where the places where you know it's gonna touch on here. And that's exactly what I did, all up in here, all up through there. All that got tape on. You can't see it because it's so clear and it's thin. And we're gonna take the alcohol patch here and we're gonna clean up all the spots on here. We're gonna make sure all the dust is off of here so that everything that we got can stick. So I think that's gonna make the bike look really good. So we're gonna let that dry real quick. And we're just gonna slap it on because it's just pop on. And make sure you hold it for a little while you pop it on. All the places are dry. Okay. All right. So let's pop this on. You're gonna have to hold this out because you got tape on the inside too, so you kind of pull it out so that everything can go down like it needs to go down. And then just make sure you hold it down on them spots so that it can stay down. So you maybe hold about 20 seconds just to be good. You know, it'll be good. You just hold it. Make sure everything catches. One thing about adhesive tape, if it go bad, you always can replace it. You know, so it came with its own adhesive tape. I might should have just did 3M, but I don't know if the 3M will be thin enough, because there was some pretty thin tape on here. So, and it looks really good, y'all. What y'all think about it? I mean, it looks really, really, really good. So, down here in Texas, with this hot heat, it's hot in this garage, y'all. It's really hot. So yeah, that board's on there, y'all. Like I say, just hold it in different spots, hold it down for a minute. Make sure everything catches. Yeah. So y'all, tell me what you think about the carbon fiber. It looks really good. And as you look at it, you see I got all the other carbon fiber pieces on here with the fender as well. The bike is looking really good, y'all. You know, some people say you can't customize a gold wing, but as you can see, I've been doing just that, and a lot of us have. You know, Slappy Adventures, Ride Fit Nation Sensei. Look at that carbon fiber. So yeah, everything looks good, y'all. It's on there to stay. So y'all tell me what you think about it. I think it looked really good, man. I'm loving it. I'm definitely loving it. I'm digging it. So yeah, look at it. Oh yeah. And it went on there so easily. I mean, very easy. So yeah, so you won't have no issues out of it. So yeah, man, I just want to bring y'all this short video. Y'all, we're gonna get off of here, y'all, and get out this heat, man. This Texas heat has been kicking like 101. So you see your boy sweating, that's why. And we got some more stuff from Gold Strike that I'm gonna start putting on the bike this probably tomorrow morning. And I'll bring y'all that video as well. I'm putting all the lights on here, distribution block, everything. So yeah, we're gonna get it done, man, cause man, to get parts put on, hey man, it costs like crazy, man. It's a big price. So y'all, we're gonna end this video right now. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. I'd be greatly appreciate that, man. So y'all, till the next time, the next grind, y'all stay cool, all right? Cause it's hot. Peace.
Jelly, 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 jelly. Kelly B's rolling. Kelly B's rolling. Jelly, 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 jelly. Kelly B's rolling.